Before moving to do exploratory data analysis, or we say uh, initial steps in a data science project, we say, in case any data science project if you take, okay, any data science project if you take, it will have the 5 steps. Okay, that one we need to understand first. First step is analyzing a data, means that is known as a exploratory data analysis also. In the sense, we are checking what is given in a data, what are the columns we have, is there any null values in that particular data or not. Even though we need to check how many continuous columns we have, how many discrete columns we have, how many columns which are qualitative, means in terms of the text. Okay, these are the all these things we learn in statistics. Now those statistics we are trying to apply in this data analysis part. Once you have been done with that, then future engineering come. Future engineering is nothing but, like, you have been already identified that there are some null values are there. I just want to check, is there any correlation between them, and some of the columns you found that there is no correlation. Okay, these points you have to make, and we need to rectify those things, like if null values are there, what to be done. Okay, all these things will come under a future engineering. Then it comes feature selection. Feature selection is nothing but, we are trying to select the most important column in that particular data set. All the column may not be important for the analysis, right? So we will select the most important column for the analysis, that is comes under the feature selection. Once we have done this basic 3 steps, then only we go for the model building, like machine learning or deep learning model. We will build on that particular selected features by using that Python libraries. Okay, then model deployment means we will start using that built machine learning model in a general day-to-day life. That is called as a model deployment. So there will be a stages in any data science project. So first stage we are in, first 3 stage we will cover up in exploratory data analysis. Then we will start with the machine learning, building a model on the data set by using a machine learning models. Then in a deep learning section, we will learn about how can we build a model by using a deep learning uh, techniques. And model deployment also we will learn in an end-to-end project, like from starting to end. For the end user, how can we share that the things we have been done, that will be comes under the end-to-end project. So these are the stage wise we need to learn. So we will start with the data analysis part. Okay, then we will go forward with the data analysis, feature engineering, and feature selection will go hand in hand together. Like the moment you identify there is a null value, then immediately you will try to like fill up those null values with some values, right? That will comes under the feature engineering. Like once you have been done a correlation, means you will be trying to say that these are the columns will be important, that you have been noted down. That means there is a feature selection also done, like this. In the sense, these 3 steps will be combined together. Okay, based on these steps, then your model accuracy will be depend. So we need to do analysis and feature engineering and feature selection properly, then 90% of your job is done. Like model building is just we need to call the model, we need to feed the data, and we need to check the accuracy, which model is best giving a good accuracy. We need to use it for that one for the deployment. That is the only 2 steps we will have, but these 3 steps will be give you the like path to do a modeling and all. So we'll cover up this one first, then we'll move to the machine learning and all in a later days. Okay, so in next video onwards I will take up one project, that is nothing but train data set which I have given in a EDA. We'll take that first, and we will work it on that, like how to do analysis, how to identify the null values, all this step by step we will do. Then we will go for the machine learning models and all in coming module. Okay.